How to eliminate your food bill. The average American family of 4, adjusted for inflation, will spend millions in home payments over its lifetime. $5 million in housing costs, $3 million on food, $1 million in energy cost, $50,000 for water, and over $500,000 in taxes. You're paying close to $10 million in your lifetime to exist. That's crazy. Torpedo Pot is constructing smart homes that generate free electricity, food, and water throughout a resident's lifetime. This is a life free from reliance on outside food, water, and electricity. Your smart home will generate electricity, food, and water from your integrated solar system. You're guaranteed to produce more food than you can consume. Each 1 to 3 bedroom smart home comes with an appliance package tailored to meet its solar energy capacity. Every appliance is optimized for efficient operation on your solar grid, ensuring that your electricity remains free. We maintain and monitor your smart home devices, power equipment, and solar energy grid. Smart appliances are especially useful because they optimize when and how electricity is used. This is a life free from reliance on outside food, water, and electricity. Choose your food acreage. Your smart home features automated organic growing equipment, providing state-of-the-art technology to ensure you produce hundreds of pounds of natural, healthy food. Within the community setting, we plant, cultivate, and harvest your food, then bring it to your doorstep. You will produce more food than you can consume. Imagine waking up into your new smart home, which you own outright. The sun streams through the large windows. Its energy is being converted into free electricity by the solar panels. You can turn on the air conditioning, use the washer-dryer, and watch television without a second thought about the cost. You don't have to worry about a monthly electricity bill. When you go to the kitchen, you grab fresh, organic food that your smart home's food system has produced. Owners receive a lifetime supply of food, and owners receive profits from selling food to the community. Owners will have access to fresh, organic food every day. You go to the sink and get a glass of fresh, clean water, knowing it is part of the community's safe drinking water that's being filtered and supplied by your smart home. Your smart home is a lifelong income-generating asset because you can sell excess electricity, food, and water in the open marketplace for a hefty profit. A 90-day delivery time for building a house in this community is a result of a streamlined and efficient process, which is designed to minimize the typical delays associated with traditional construction. This accelerated timeline is possible due to several factors: standardized plans, prefabricated components, and pre-approved systems. Daryl Addison, USA, CEO, founder Torpedopot, www.torpedopot.com, info@torpedopot.com, 215-290-9013. Horace Fentress, USA, Ghana, founder Shining Stars International, Inc., horace-fentress@shiningstarsinc.org, builder, architectural drawings and designs, tunnels, roads, bridges, 1-240-415-1487.